again to another episode of Nature Unleashed. Here we have our guest speaker today, Rip Hunter. Rip Hunter, would you like to care to say anything? Okay, well today we're going to be hunting flowers, flora, plants. You never know what we might find, so let's get our hunting jackets on.
Dude, it's like 70 degrees outside, maybe 75. Why are you putting
It's
on
my
a jacket?
hunting jacket.
You're not going to do anything stupid, are you?
No. No. Come on, let's go hunting.
So today we have a Primula Pacific Giant, that's this one, and a Felicia. This one's Latin name is Primula polyantha, and this one's Felicia aethiopica. We didn't really find these in the wild. Richie just wanted to go to the Do-It Center and pick them up. So let's see what Richie has for us. I said, let's see what Richie has for us.
Yeah, it's not working.
Now, let's see what Richie has for us. So, Pacific Giant needs a closed and slightly wet climate. The temperature is between -40 degrees Fahrenheit and 15 degrees Fahrenheit. Needs mild precipitation, neutral, moist, slightly acidic soil, and partial shade. That would be this one, the Pacific Giant. And the Felicia, that's this one. It needs a sunny and slightly cold climate, a temperature from 20 degrees Fahrenheit to 40 degrees Fahrenheit. It's drought tolerant, but needs average water. You don't want to overwater it. It needs neutral soil, and it needs full sun.
Give me some bactine!
So, let's just throw that one over there. And, he's such an idiot.
Call 911! That was a rousing success of a film now, wasn't it?
You're a moron. You lit yourself on fire hunting for plants.
They're dangerous.
They're not dangerous.
They spit acidic fire all over the place.
Are you thinking of the Mario Brothers flower?
This interview's over.
Yeah, I'm never working with you again.
Hey, man!
What?
This is my fucking shit. This is my show! Oh!